Dazzling Minty.
Hi kids, today we will do next alphabet and the alphabet is H. H. Maximum children are speaking like this. H. H. That is wrong. The correct pronunciation is H. Okay? Alphabet H and the sound is H. And the sound is H. And the sound is H. Again, H is a short vowel sound and the sound is H. H. Okay? So let's start how to write capital alphabet H. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's start how to write capital alphabet H. We begin with second line. Okay? Chalo, let's start near the margin line. Tail is going up. Okay? Come back. Make a short loop. And now make another slanting line. Now. Start from the second and third line middle. Remember, second and third line middle we have to start. Go up, make a loop and touch the second line. Now with steps it will be very clear to everyone. Step 1. Start from second line. Go up. Step 2. Start from second line and make a slanting line and make a little curve. But remember, we will not touch the second line. It is in the middle of second and third line. You can see the loop is not touching the second line. Okay? Step 3. Step 1. Step 2. Now step 3. Again one slanting line. Okay? Now step 4. What we have to do? Step 1. Step 2, step 3. Now put 2 dots on second and third line and it is the middle of second and third line. Okay? Take a slanting line towards the second line. Take a slanting line towards the second line. Okay? And last step, step 5. Step 1. Step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. Okay. Now last step. See very carefully. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5 and step 6. When your loop is coming out, you will touch a second line. I hope alphabet H is clear to everyone. You can see here also 4 lines in front of you on my flashcard. I begin with second line, come back, make a short loop. I am not touching the second line. Then third step, then fourth step. I begin from here in the middle of second and third, make a loop and touch the second line. So this way you will learn how to write capital alphabet H. And ice cream sticks, flashcards are waiting. So what are these? Oh wow! So what is on the back? Capital H. Horse. Horse is running like this. Like this, right? Horse. And what is on the back? Small alphabet H. And which picture is this? Hen. Cuckoo-doo-doo. Hen. Hen. Horse. Horse. So do practice of this alphabet very nicely. I know it is not difficult. when you have learned small alphabet already, so this loop is not very difficult for you. So do practice of this alphabet. Till then, bye bye.